Carla,
and I got you a large fry and a large drink.
Say something awesome.
So I accidentally ate the fries.
But just say something awesome.
And drank half your
Say something awesome. Something memorable.
The fries were an accident because I thought he gave us 2.
And then what else?
I got like 2 other McChickens and 2 other cheeseburgers. I mean, no one ate them.
Now we come to Deshaun talking about cheeseburgers. Crystal, say something memorable. Because you're recording.
I got you what you said you wanted me to get you. And
Except for I only got to eat one thing of what I got.
Well, I'm sorry that I ate your fries.
Really? I would have ate the fries too.
My bad.
He did. Because I wouldn't wake up, so he ate it.
Slap him on camera.
No. No, well, he didn't. The guy was like, I didn't want to throw away these fries, so I just gave you a large. And I assumed that meant he gave us her fries and another large fry. So I didn't bother looking in the bag. I just grabbed the large fry and started eating it. And yeah. So.
That's nice.
You're gonna take this home and laugh at it.
I'm gonna put it on Facebook.
Oh, please don't.
Shut up, Deshaun.
Facebook.
You love it.
That's banned on Facebook.
Somebody better start eating hamburgers.
Hamburgers. That's my turn to say goodbye. So say hamburgers. I'm on video. I hope you're loud. Are you gonna let me eat my food before you videotape it? Eating a hamburger. Good stuff.
Something's been on my mind. I've been hurting kind. So sugar, salt me now.
Oh, my God. That's okay. Be like, stop your lady. He's like, I'm super.
One time.
Alright, here we go.
2 times.
One time for your mind, your body and your soul. Every time that I rhyme, you know I'm in control. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And we've been here for so many years, but still it seems as if you're not there. Are you there? Every time I talk, you turn away. Do you care? Listen, Dad, an obligation to care. And we said, and we've been here for so many years. So many years, still it seems why it's so complicated. Yeah.